Hello guys, welcome to another video again. And today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get the official latest GB WhatsApp and then be able to use premium features like never before. So I'm not going to be wasting much of your time because I know most of you know about the GB WhatsApp and then how it works. And don't worry, this GB WhatsApp is anti-ban. It will not get your phone number banned if you later on switch over to the official WhatsApp app or the normal WhatsApp app. So let me go ahead and then show you everything real quick. So I'm going to be using the browser called Kiwi. You can use any other browser out there, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to be using Kiwi. So now the link that you'll be using to download the APK is in the video description. Make sure to go ahead and then click on it, and then it will redirect you directly to this page you are seeing over here. Yeah, so it will redirect you over here for you to be able to download the GB WhatsApp official APK and then use for whatever it is that you want to use it for. Now once you're on this page, you will be shown this thing over here that download 4 GB WhatsApp kdtechhub, which is my official YouTube channel name. So make sure to go ahead and then subscribe to the channel right now if you haven't. So on this page you just have to go ahead and then click on the free download. Don't click on the premium download because I haven't set it as a paid file. It is totally free, everyone can access it. It is not a paid file. Just go ahead and then click on free download, and on the page you might face some little bit of ads here and there. It is used to pay me a little bit of money from doing researches and then giving you this official GB application. So you might face some ads redirect, but you just have to go ahead and then skip it and then download your official APK. So once you are done with the download, you just have to move on to the next step, which is going to your download folder and then installing the APK, which is not a hard thing to do, so I'm not going to take you through that part. So once you are done installing the APK, you see it on your phone over here like this. You go ahead and then open it. It will when you open it at the first time, it will show you the official page for you to log in your WhatsApp account, which is also the same as the one on the normal WhatsApp. So I have already logged in into my account, so I'm not going to be showing that step also. But when you are done logging in this out, the app will look like. So that's pretty much it for this video today. Make sure to subscribe to the video on your way out. Also like it if you find it helpful, and also if you find any issues or you face any challenges on the way, make sure to comment it down below, and then I'll do my possible best to reach out to you. Thank you. Peace out.